Hey everybody, I am just going to do a quick video doing a pour on YUPO paper for collage work that I've been doing. But first I want to thank Danny for his recent PayPal contribution. I appreciate it so much. And I almost forgot to show you the videos or the dry paintings from the last two videos. I am really glad that I let this one dry. I find it fascinating. It is very cool. And the cells got huge. So there's that one. And then this one is from my slice and swipe dip. And I really like it. I like how it came out. So I will definitely use that technique again. And maybe not alone, but it might be cool with other techniques to kind of, I don't know, just like an add-on, depending on the piece. All right. So this is YUPO paper, which is a synthetic. It's not really paper. It is synthetic for watercolors, alcohol inks, acrylics. As it says, synthetic tree-free paper. It's everlasting, non-absorbent, resists buckling with wet media, and can be wiped clean. Which is true. If I pour this and I don't like it, I could just wipe it right off. So it's pretty cool stuff. Excuse me, I think I am on the cusp of a cold. Alrighty, so I've got Craft Smart brand fuchsia, Artist Loft metallic red, self-mixed yellow, Artist Loft brilliant magenta, and Artist Loft green yellow. So I'm not exactly sure. Oh, I was going to add a bit of Prussian blue too. So I don't really know what result all these colors will be. But that's what I like about doing pours like this, because you can just kind of play around and experiment, and nothing lost and everything gained. Well, I guess paint is lost, but not too much of it. I think this will be enough for the whole thing. It looks pretty in the cup. Okay, that's definitely now going to be enough. I think I might ribbon it. Kind of wish I hadn't added the Prussian blue. And I think I might actually tip some of that all the way off. And put in here I like this. So since I will be cutting this up, it's not as important as to what it looks like as a whole. And I would like to get my swirl on if I can. A little bit. It's hard to tell what I had. I like it, but I like to get Ooh, I really like that. Let's see if I can get any more of like that. Ooh, I do like that. I am changing up the rest of it. And now I have all of my lines, my lovely, lovely lines that I adore. like it so much better now. I was going to make a cool collage. So then I will just let it be here to dry. It looks like a complete mess kind of from here, but trust me, it will be beautiful once I slice and dice it up and glue and resin it. Catch you next time. Bye.